Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to share your PayPal link to get paid and receive money. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Now, the most important thing that you need to take note is that you will need to open your PayPal account to a browser, not the PayPal app. So from here, we need to open the browser. Search for paypal.com and sign in to your account. Once signing in, you can see the three horizontal line located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on that and click Send and Request. From here, you need to click on Request. Scroll down and click on Share Your Personal Profile. Now from here, you can see the share icon inside your profile card. Click on that and click on copy link. And that's it. And then you can send your link to whoever you want. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!